The seated head harness neck extension strengthens the posterior neck extensors to improve head control, posture, and resilience for contact sports and heavy lifts. Here's how to do it correctly. Fit a padded head harness securely around your head. Insert one end of the chain through the middle hole of the weight plate, then clip the chain to the other side of the harness. Sit on a flat bench with your shoulders back, feet planted and core braced, and hands on your thighs. Tuck your chin slightly to create a neutral neck while keeping your shoulders down and back. Slowly nod your head down a few degrees until you feel a stretch on the back of your neck. Depending on the size of the weight plate, you may need to lean slightly forward to avoid having the weight plate resting against your chest. Exhale and slowly extend your neck until it reaches close to or at neutral position. Think about lifting the weight by driving the back of your head upward while moving only your head, not your torso. Pause briefly at the top to feel the contraction in the posterior neck. Inhale and lower back down under control until you feel a gentle stretch. If you're lifting with control, the weight plate should only move up and down rather than twisting side to side. Repeat for reps. If you want to see real results in the gym, it's time to stop doing random workouts and start following a structured plan. Try my workout app free for 7 days.